I would like to discuss about how to prepare BPSC 71 AC and that for mains. And we know that BPSC has divided AC paper into three important sections, and last section is related with the Lokokti from Bihar, right? So I at first discuss about the Lokokti of Bihar, and then I will discuss about first and second section. So if you see about the Lokokti of Bihar, BPSC has asked a question related to various types of Lokokti related to Bihar, and in which I have taken this all Lokokti asked by BPSC in 17th and 69th and 68, right? So actually when you trying to write about the answer of any Lokokti, try to analyze about the meaning, sense, and also try to understand about how local people, how people of Bihar understanding about that particular Lokokti, how they are using that Lokokti for the expression of their view, and then you try to write your question. So if you want to write any question, if you want to understand about it, this important Lokokti. So first is बनले के साथ ही सब केहू और बिगड़ले के केहू नाही. So that question is related with philosophy, right? यानी कि आप जब कभी भी आंसर लिखें, so why you are facing problem when you trying to write answer related to the AC about Lokokti of Bihar. So basically you do not find that these all ACs are related with either philosophy, psychology, human behavior, human attitude, society, relationship between science and religion, relationship between society and language. Everything is present in this Lokokti. Only your duty is that first duty related to you. You should have to decipher about the local meaning of that particular Lokokti, and then you try to write a answer about that question. So here what it means, बनले के साथ ही सब केहू और बिगड़ले के केहू नाही. It means that related with the ideology or philosophy or attitude or behavior of the people in certain condition, right? Means when you are in a well condition, you are in a very strong condition, so all are supporting you, and when you are in worse condition, so no one supporting you. This is the very simple meaning of that question. And if you want to write about that question, so you should have to start from that. In this way, second, जियते माछी ना घोटाई, that related with ethics and morality of the people, because it means what it means, जियते माछी ना घोटाई. इसका मतलब क्या है कि लिविंग कंडीशन, कॉन्शियस कंडीशन में कोई रॉन्ग बिहेवियर नहीं करेंगे, तो बहुत सिंपल है, राइट? इसका मतलब है कि इस पे जब आंसर लिखने जाते हैं तो हमारे सोसाइटी में जो जनरल एथिक्स रिलेटेड टू बिहेवियर है, रिलेटेड टू एटीट्यूड है उस पे हमें लिखना है। बापक नाम साग पात आ बेटक नाम परोड़, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट अबाउट द आंसर ऑन comment, that is a comment on the individual attitude, right? इंडिविजुअल पोजिशन, जैसन बोबा ओशन कटबा, इसका मतलब क्या है कि दैट इज रिलेटेड विथ द थ्योरी ऑफ कर्मा एंड रिवर्थ, जैसा कर्म करोगे वैसा फल देगा भगवान, राइट? यानी कोई क्वेश्चन वैसा नहीं है धोबिया कुकर न घाट घर के न घाट के, दैट इज द कॉमेंट ऑन इंडिविजुअल कंडीशन, कॉमेंट ऑन इंडिविजुअल कंडीशन, राइट? एंड आगू नाथ न पाछू पगहा, बिन छान के नाचे गधा, दैट गिव अस insight about the social condition and information about the mechanism of social condition and mechanism for social control in society. अनेर धुनेर के राम रखवाड़े, that related with the religion and that also related with the people on God, belief on God, right? एंड धर्म के बिना विज्ञान नांगर छै, विज्ञान के बिना धर्म आन्हर छै, दैट रिलेटेड विद द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन साइंस एंड रिलीजन, एंड पानी में मछलियाँ नौना कुटी वखरा, ये सेंस देता है जब कोई व्यक्ति जो है, दो या दो से अधिक लोग जो है आपस में जो है बिजनेस करते हैं और उनके रिजल्ट का अनुमान लगा करके आपस में उनकी डिस्प्यूट हो जाती है। उसके संदर्भ में ये बड़ा ही पॉपुलर है कि पानी में मछलियाँ नौना कुटी बखरा, यानी मछली अभी पानी में ही है लेकिन हम पहले से प्रिडिक्ट करें कि हम इतना लेंगे, हम इतना लेंगे, हम इतना लेंगे, राइट? सो दैट आल्सो give us insight about some specific condition related to society. And then अगला खेती आगे आगे, पछला खेती भागे जोगे, यानी that focused on present action, right? And next मूस मोटाई है लोढ़ा हुई हैं, ना हाथी ना घोड़ा हुई हैं, that give us insight about the limitations of the people. So if you analyze about some other लोकोक्ति, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत, परहित सरस धर्म नहीं भाई, नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, मन चंगा तो कठौती में गंगा, all types of lokokti. First, if you want to prepare about these types of lokokti, so try to bifurcate this lokokti in some important parts, means some related with philosophy, right? Some related with psychology, some related with ethics, morality, behavior, attitude, social condition, relationship between society, religion, language, right? Human condition, comment, right? So try to bifurcate लोकोक्ति on this important group. और जब आप लोकोक्ति को बाइफरकेट कर देंगे, so then you will find that all lokokti are very simple and you are able to write answer about any lokokti as very simple way as like question asked in section first and section second. So after that we will see about the some questions related to section first and section second. So in section first, BPSC has asked a very simple question. You are able to understand about the nature of the question in very simple manner. So here you can see about the question that asked by BPSC. First question is importance of India in contemporary global perspective. Means that question related with international relation and role of India, right? Here that is very simple. Second, country development and information technology. Means here development and information technology, IT, relationship of the development and IT. Next question is environmental imbalance is the destroyer of creation. Means this question is related with environment, right? And then soil conservation and organic farming, means that they related with agricultural economy. Science and technology are helpful in understanding the mysteries of the universe, means that related with science and technology. Next, improving the agriculture system can support the rural economy of the nation. That asked in 69. So here again question related to agricultural economy or rural economy. Black money economy is the main cause of the crime and corruption. Next question is the modern communication revolution has revolutionized human awareness of the means of communication and technology. Again communication and IT, right? Next is forest creates its own tree, it doesn't wait for the people to throw seeds. Means that related with environment. And next is literature is not only a source of knowledge but also a form of moral and social activity. So that connect about the literature and moral and social activity. And next is perform your obligatory duty because action is needed rather than inaction. Means that is related with philosophy also, right? And next is good art should illuminate our experience for reveal truth, right? Here you have to write about the good art, right, and experience and truth. We find that some question related with international relation, right? Second is related with economy, right? Science, question related with environment, right? And philosophy, literature, right? And then we see about the third section. So we see second section. So political will and national security. So that is related with politics, right? End of corruption and upliftment of the country. So that is related with social problem. Next, lax law and order is a hindrance to women empowerment. Again, that is related with social issue. Next, world welfare is impossible without a spiritual consciousness. Means that related with spiritualism. And next, current status of women empowerment in perspective of political empowerment. Again, women empowerment, need and importance of yoga for a spiritual progress and physical and mental development. Next, advantage and disadvantage of the new education policy. So that is related with education, right? Next, impact of climate change on Indian agriculture, means here that is also related with environment. And next, we are not makers of history, we are next. Next question is, we are not makers of history, we are made by history, right? We are made by history. And internet has turned our world into global village, means role of IT here also, right? IT and internet. And the thought is the base of life, here also philosophy. And education seeking change after COVID, so here also related to education, right? So when we try to write or prepare, if we try to prepare about the essay, so on the basis of discussion of these three sections, what we will do, right? So for the understanding of that, and my opinion is that when you try to prepare all section 1 or 2 or 3rd, right? So for that, for every section, what we need to prepare, what we follow a strategy, and what we will study, and how we will develop skill, how to develop ability, and how to write actually our essay, right? So on the basis of discussion of these three sections, what we find, right? So we find about that some topics related to history, right? Second, some topics related to society, some topic related to economy, and especially BPSC has focused on agricultural economy or rural economy, and then environment, and science, and philosophy, right? But when we study that, that focused on philosophy, psychology, ethics, morality, human attitude, human behavior, activity, comment, limitations, etc. Right? Here we have also important question related to spiritualism. Right? So these are the important section. On the basis of discussion of these three important section, I will find about that whenever you try to prepare about a AC, so you need to follow general approach, right? So what it means general approach? So basically general approach means, right, how to approach essay. So here I see that we follow general approach, and that approach is based on holistic approach, right? What it means, here you can try to understand what it means. So what I want to say that topics which I have discussed, I think that every students have familiar about history, society, economy, environment, political system, general philosophy, not a special. Here जनरल अप्रोच मीन्स कि आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है कि फिलोसफी पढ़ने लगना है जा कर के, साइकोलॉजी पढ़ने लगना है. जनरल अप्रोच, हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यू शुड हैव टू डेवलप जनरल अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स एनी टॉपिक विच you will be discussing and you will be trying to write about the answer. So every students know about history, society, political system and international relation, economy, environment, science and technology, फिलॉसफी, जनरल फिलॉसफी, राइट. देखो फिलॉसफी का दो आस्पेक्ट है, एक तो आप बुक में पढ़ते हैं और एक जनरल जो है लोगों में जो फिलॉसफी प्रचलित है उसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. दैट इज ए जनरल फिलॉसफी दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन अमॉन्ग द पीपुल. तो फिलॉसफी हो या साइकोलॉजी हो, जनरल साइकोलॉजी ऑफ द पीपुल, राइट, लिटरेचर, इकोलॉजी, राइट, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है एवरी स्टूडेंट्स हैव बीन लर्निंग इन देयर जीएस पेपर, बट what we need to change our learning process for the preparation of AC, right? In AC we will have to follow holistic approach. What it means? So here you can take one question that is directly asked by BPSC and that is related with the history. right? Because that is very simple question, and BPSC has asked question about, we are not a maker of history because we are made by history, right? हम इतिहास के निर्माता नहीं हैं, बल्कि हम इतिहास के द्वारा निर्मित हैं, राइट? सो हियर we are not maker of history, maker of history, we are made by history, right? So general approach is that when you try to write the answer about that question, you maybe think that that question related with the history, but a holistic approach is that, are you able to connect these all thing with these thing? Here I want to say that, are you able to connect this aspect with this all thing? And if you are able to connect, if you are able to write one or 2 points with the interconnection with these all topics here I have mentioned, then you will be able to write very good essay, right? How is it possible? ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? देखो, ऐसे राइटिंग सीखना है तो आपको ये एबिलिटी डेवलप करना होगा, और आई विल डिस्कस दैट इन डिटेल in future. So you should have to develop ability to connect that with other, right? And if you are able to connect that with other, so then you are able to write answer related to essay, right? यानी आपको इससे कनेक्ट कर लिए तो हिस्ट्री यहाँ गॉन हो गया. अब देखो, किसी क्वेश्चन को लिखने में क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है, राइट? कि हाउ टू राइट इंट्रोडक्शन, राइट? Here how to write introduction. So here we have 2 important lines, right? We are not makers of history, we are made by history. तो इसको लेके शुरू करें या इसको लेके शुरू करें, right? So my opinion is that you should have to at first attempt on that we are made by history. But at first in introduction you can simply write history is dialogue between past and present, right? एक simple आप लिखेंगे हिस्ट्री इज डायलॉग बिटवीन पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट, और जब आप इसको लिखेंगे तो फिर आप कनेक्ट करेंगे कि वी आर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हिस्ट्री. So when we say about the product of history, it means we say that we are the product of nature. And when we say that we are the product of nature, it means we are able to connect that with human ecology, we are able to connect that with environment, geography. So connection is started through that. Second, when you trying to explain about that, how we are the product of nature, how we are made by history, so nature provide us opportunity in the course of history, right? In the course of history, nature provide us opportunity, and there was development of nature, man and technology relationship. So when you try to select that aspect, means technology that is really product of human, but nature create conditions for the invention of idea technology. So here you can also connect that, and in such way you will connect that all thing with the economy, because when we live in our nature, so nature provide us natural resources, and because nature provide us natural resources, so still we are the product of nature, we are the product of history, right? Even human evolution is the product of history, product of nature, and our social relationship that is also influenced by nature, by the process of history. So once here you should have to give attention, but then you also write on that section, you should have to write that section. We are not maker of history on the basis of that all aspect. So how can we understand about how can we are able to connect that thing when we try to write about the answer related to Lokokti? So how can we write answer related to Lokokti? And you should have to follow that approach I have discussed. You should have to follow holistic approach. So what is holistic approach, right? So here we can understand that through an important example which was asked by BPSC. So try to understand about the an important question asked by BPSC, that is बनले के साथ ही सब केहू हा बिगड़ले के केहू नाही, right? So meaning is very simple, है ना? When we are well, then all are supported us. And when we are in bad condition, no one support us, right? So for that, first thing is that we should have to write introduction, and when we try to write our introduction, so that is general behavior of people, है ना? मतलब हम कह सकते हैं कि this से लोकोक्ति is popular in the society of Bihar. So in introduction you can write about that. This is the general behavior of the people. People are behaving according to this parameter. So when an individual is very strong, right? Means an individual has very strong political power, a strong economic condition, a strong social condition, a strong social respect. Everything is well in that individual. So people are connecting with that individual because that individual can help that people. So that behavior give us insight about the psychology of the people, right? And people are behaving according to that psychology. That psychology determine the people, but that behavior is also determined on the basis of historical perspective, connect it, social condition, economy, political, you can give that in the field of education, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, मतलब एवरीथिंग से आपको इसको कनेक्ट करना है, राइट? बट अपोजिट थिंग इज दैट इज not a universal truth, right? That a condition is not a universal truth because there are different types of behavior of the people, right? There are different society, different people, and people are behaving in different way, right? Some people are behaving and some people are supporting to another in the condition of that individual was suffering in bad condition, right? So we need to write our answer on the basis of that. I will discuss that all thing in detail. So basic thing is that when you try to learn anything, so you should have to do important thing. That holistic approach give us very good insight for writing of essay, and try to connect every essay with history, with society, with economy, with geography, ecology, environment, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फिलोसफी, साइकोलॉजी. और इसके लिए सब चीज़ पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि जो ग्रेजुएट है जनरल आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन है, उस इंफॉर्मेशन के आधार पर यू आर एबल टू राइट योर आंसर, राइट? सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट you will be able to prepare that thing, and this is how to prepare. And you only study about your general studies subject and try to connect a thing, all general studies knowledge, all knowledge from childhood to present, and try to think, imagine, and try to write. And if you are able to do that, you will be able to write your answer in right perspective. Thank you.